Hello little family, welcome. Long time. Let me just teach you a quick way to make your wheat fufu. In this pot, I will pour the quantity of wheat flour that I want, and I'm using this Honeywell brand. You can use any brand of your choice, okay? So after pouring the quantity of wheat flour that you want, then you start adding your water gradually and mix to combine. Mix according to the consistency you want. This one is very stress-free. You don't need too much manpower to do it, okay? If you want it light, you mix it light. If you want it thick, you mix it thick. Make sure there is no lumps in it. As you can see now, it is lumps free. So let's proceed so that I will show you the quickest way to make your wheat fufu without stress. Alright? So now I will cover it and take it to microwave. So now you open your microwave, fix it in, cover it. Then set your timer to the lowest. It is on the lowest already, and then set it. And here it is. So now it has cake. Can you see? So next thing now is to turn it. Can you see? Just the quickest way to make your wheat fufu. In 3 minutes, it is just ready. Can you see how fluffy it is? Try this and thank me later. Making fufu this way, a baby can even make it. So after turning it to combine, you now spray it out. Remove the excess from the spatula. And then add a little more water to it, just like when you are turning it on top of the gas cooker. Cover once more and allow it to cook well for just a minute on a low heat. As you can see, the wheat fufu is ready. It took me just 3 minutes. The first 2 minutes and the second 1 minute. That is 3 minutes. So let's remove it from the oven. So let's mix it the very last time. Wow, this is so fluffy. I love this. The quick way to make your fufu is this. Less stress, I tell you. Can you see what I'm telling you? Now it is very well mixed to combine. You can decide to eat it here right away, but for me I will put it in a ceiling fin because I'm not ready to eat it yet until my soup is ready. So it's later, but people are eating this one now. Hey. Can you see how beautiful this look? I love this. I love this with every beat of my heart. Wow. Here is the way I am going to enjoy it. This is okra with egusi soup and it's so delicious. Meanwhile, beautiful family, come and join me. Can you see how fluffy it is? Your wheat fufu, to be precise. The quick way to make your wheat fufu. This is fantabulous. Thank you so much for watching. I know you have been able to pick one or two things in this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and of course share this video to your families and friends. Now we'll see you right in my next video. Bye bye.